Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line 40 TDI Quattro. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 20,000 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the centre armrest for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. As you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid, for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate controls, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging point, a hidden compartment to keep those phone wires, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2-handed cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi Q5 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.